and dear colleagues here at the table, dear colleagues from the media, it's a great pleasure to meet you and to really be able to answer your questions. We are, as Dr. Yusuf Ali said, still facing a global crisis situation, as you all know. Unfortunately, we are not seeing a reduction in the number of cases. It's still particularly in the American region as well as in the European region plus Central Asia. And what is happening in the western part of the European region is mainly due to the fact that we have the variants of concern related to the COVID-19 virus, which is rapidly increasing. They are much more fast in transmitting the disease, and some of them also developing more severe diseases. Now we see that slowly these variants are coming to the eastern part of Europe and are most likely entering Central Asian countries. So far, government has done extremely well with the Ministry of Health and Dr. Yusuf Ali as the head of the CES, the Sanitary and Epidemiological Wellbeing Agency, in controlling the crisis situation in Uzbekistan, because as already since October, we have a very low transmission, very low rates of incidence. So government has done extremely well, yet we cannot relax because the variants are most likely coming into the country. And now, as Dr. Yusuf Ali said, with some of the increased numbers, bit doubling over the last few days, we need to urgently check, do the sequencing, seeing what's happening. So the contact tracing is important, the quarantine is important, and we have to be very vigilant that we continue to wear the masks, hand hygiene, as well as physical distancing. I first let him translate.
Sure. Assalomu alaykum, hurmatli hamkasblar, shu yonimda o'tirgan hamkasblarim va albatta ommaviy axborot vositalari vakillari, hammalar xush kelibsizlar. Sizlar bilan ko'rishib turganimizdan juda ham mamnunmiz. Avvalambor mana janob Yusuf Aliyev juda ham to'g'ri aytib o'tganlaridek, hozirgi kunda butun dunyoda hali ham koronavirus bilan bog'liq bo'lgan vaziyat tarang holatda turibdi. Ya'ni biz koronavirus tarqalishini hali yengib o'tganimiz yo'q dunyo bo'yicha va eng og'irroq, nisbatan og'irroq holatlar, jiddiyroq holatlar Amerika qit'asida, Yevropada kuzatilyapti va Markaziy Osiyoda ham oxirgi kunlarda mana aytib o'tganlaridek bu borada biroz demak vaziyatni jiddiylashganligini guvohi bo'lib turibmiz. Endi G'arbiy Yevropa mintaqasidagi holatni jiddiylashishiga sabab u yerda o'zingizlarga ma'lumki COVID-19 demak infeksiyasini, koronavirusning yangi variantlari, yangi turlari demak namoyon bo'lishni boshladi va bu yangi ko'rinishdagi COVID-19 oldingi ko'rinishdagiga qaraganda tezroq yuqumliligi bilan, tezroq yuqishi bilan va og'irroq kechishi bilan ajralib turadi. Shuning uchun ham bu narsaga jiddiy qaralmoqda. Endi albatta hozirgi kunga qadar mana shu G'arbiy Yevropada bo'lib turgan holat asta-sekin Sharqiy Yevropaga o'tishi ham hozir kuzatilmoqda va biz albatta bu mintaqada, Markaziy Osiyo mintaqasida bundan ehtiyot choralarini ko'rishimiz uchun juda ham muhim. O'zbekiston hukumatı juda ham ajoyib tarzda shu kunga qadar koronavirusga qarshi kurashni va karantin choralarini juda ham yaxshi uddalab keldi va Sog'liqni saqlash vazirligi demak boshchiligida hukumat tomonidan bir qator ishlab chiqilgan demak chora-tadbirlar juda ham samarali amalga oshirilmoqda. Janob Yusuf Aliyev aytib o'tganlaridek va oktyabr oyidan boshlab O'zbekistonda vaziyat ancha nazorat ostiga olinib, o'zimiz hammamiz guvohi bo'ldikki, juda ham bir yaxshi tarzda kechayotgan edi, nisbatan agar shunday deyish mumkin bo'lsa. Lekin mana janob Yusuf Aliyev aytib o'tdilar, bir necha kun oldin sal vaziyatni salbiy tomonga o'zgarganligini ko'rdik. Ba'zi bir kunlarda ko'rsatkichlar, demak kunlik demak koronavirus holatlarining aniqlanish ko'rsatkichlari 2 baravarga oshish holatlari ham kuzatildi. Shuning uchun albatta biz karantin choralarini, ehtiyot choralarini kuchaytirishimiz kerak va kerak bo'lgan boshqa choralarni demak amalda qo'llash to'g'risida jiddiy bir rejalarni tuzib ularga kirishimiz maqsadga muvofiq bo'ladi. Xususan albatta eng muhim, eng oddiylari albatta gigiyena qoidalariga rioya qilish, niqoblarni taqib yurish, qo'llarni yuvish va albatta ijtimoiy masofani saqlash.